Ever seen one of these ads? Get $10,000 in free silver. It sounds like a dream deal until you look closer. Some offers are designed more to distract than to help, especially if they skip the fine print altogether. Let's break it down so you don't fall for the hype. This report breaks down what these flashy offers can really mean. I've linked it down below in the description. It explains how some companies use inflated spreads to quietly cover the cost of free giveaways, leaving you in the red the moment you invest. It also arms you with smart questions to ask so you're not caught off guard by vague terms or no terms at all. Take this ad for example. It promises thousands in bonuses, but where's the catch? If there's no clear mention of how pricing works or what you're really paying per ounce, that's a red flag. Without transparency on fees and spreads, that free silver might cost you way more than you think. The best way to protect yourself is to know what to look for before the phone call or the pitch. The free silver scheme report linked down below walks you through exactly how these promos work, what to ask, and how to spot the games companies play with pricing. Don't let shiny offers cloud your judgment. Grab the guide and protect your savings the smart way.